Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to view and delete your Spotify listening history. If there is a song that you want to listen again yet you cannot figure out the title, well, follow this one. This works for both Android, iOS, and even to your computer. Now, let's try it first with the phone. For us to view the history of your recently played music, let's go to the Spotify application. First is you can directly see it in your Spotify homepage. Here, you can slide and see your recently played music. Also, the other way is to tap this one. Here, you could also view the songs that you played, and with these three dots, you can have different options. You can hit like to easily find your favorite song. This time, let's try it with your computer. To do that, open your Spotify app or open it to your browser. Here, tap the Q icon. Then, tap Recently Played. Here, you can find the songs that you recently played. And also, on the three dots, you will find the options to choose based on your preferences. You can hit like to easily find your favorite song as well. On the other hand, in deleting the Spotify listening history, Spotify All Desktop app used to have an option to remove songs from the recently played section. However, with a new Spotify, it is no longer possible to clear your Spotify listening history. But then, you can have another option, that is to make your Spotify listening history on private. You can check the link in the description below for you to follow the details. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.